How to fix Snapchat not loading in 2026. So the first and very foremost thing you need to do is make sure your internet is working properly. If you are using your Wi-Fi, make sure make sure to open another app and see if that's working in another app. If it's not, I'm pretty sure it's network issue. If you want to troubleshoot that one, scroll down through your control panel, then tap on the airplane icon, turn it on for a few seconds, and after a few seconds tap on it again and turn it off, and like that your network connection will be reset. And after doing that, see if your Snapchat is loading or not. If it's still not loading, then you need to check for any updates. Go back and open your Play Store. Then after doing that, you can simply search for your Snapchat. You can open your App Store or your Play Store, then search for Snapchat, and in here open your Snapchat. If there are any kind of update requirement, there will be the option of update. Simply tap on update. Within few seconds Snapchat will be up to date. Then you can go back and see if your Snapchat is loading or not. So if it's still not working, then the final thing that you can do is offload your application. Go back and then open your settings. Then on your settings, what you're going to do is scroll down a bit, tap on general, then tap on iPhone storage. Then from here, what you're going to do is keep on scrolling until you see Snapchat. Tap on that one, tap on offload app, tap on offload app one more time. Within few seconds your application will be offloaded. Then you'll be able to see the option of reinstall app. Simply tap on reinstall. Within few minutes Snapchat will be reinstalled back on your phone, and after doing that, simply open your Snapchat. I'm pretty sure it will start loading, and that is it.